Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Daniel and this is the Voyager by Canadian microbrand Wayforth. Quick unboxing. Wayforth sent me this watch to review. I'm going in blind, so let's see what's inside of it. Immediately I like smaller packaging, smaller environmental footprint. I've spoken about this before. Keep doing these microbrands please. Small packages, smaller carbon footprint. Here we have something. Here we have sizing tool, spring bars. Here we have a pretty cool bracelet. I am a bracelet guy. So let's see we have two similar looking packages. We have the bracelet, sizing tool and quick release pins, it seems like. What's inside of this? Let's see. A watch pouch. Could it be that they sent two watches? That would be a first and awesome. Left, right. Let's start with right. Wayforth Voyager on a strap. Ooh, vibrant blue. Really nice, some good heft to that. So let's get up some specs on screen. It's running. I do believe it's the VK64 Mecha Quartz. Haven't done a watch with that in a while. And here we go, black and gold. That's cool. And that bracelet is nice, and that's a quick release spring bar. So I'm gonna put it on a bracelet for the review. That's really nice actually. Good heft to it. VK64 Mecha Quartz moving with a sweeping second sound. And I guess we have some sort of inner rotating bezel. So I'm gonna do some homework for the review. I'm gonna try these watches on. We have a blue, we have a black and gold. One of my favorite combinations. Seems like really nice watches. Seems like some really good build quality actually. Signed crown. Do we have any plastic? Yep, some plastic covering the screen. I mean, of course, crystal. This is it's a really cool domed effect. I do like that. Awesome. Gonna be fun cutting in because I forgot to put on wrist. That's how it will wear my roughly 17 centimeter wrist. That's actually very comfortable for a watch that is bigger than my usual size. And that is a thick, nice, soft leather. And that's it guys. Until next time. Sorry, whoop. Sign hardware. Now that's it guys. Until next time. Stay safe. Take care. And bye bye.